Welcome to the eBookBiz training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use Store Builder in eBookBiz. From the left side menu, click on Store Builder. Click on Add New Store. Enter the store name. Enter the store description. You can choose the ebook for this store. You can choose the pages you want to generate. You can select the store theme. Click on Next. You can select the pricing type for an ebook. You can make the ebook paid. You can enter the price. You can enable a discount. You can enter the discount percentage. Click on Generate and Save Store. You can see your ebook store. You can view the store. You can edit the store. You can delete the store. You can see the store contacts. You can view the inquiry details. You can delete the inquiry. Thanks for watching the video.